Good afternoon, everyone. This is Emma. Today's video is gonna be on my family room fall makeover. So come along with me as I show you how I've made over my family room for the fall. And what I've done here, I've went in and I've changed my pillows. I've added the gold fall pillow and I put this black pillow with it. And these are still the Amazon pillows. All I've done, they two-sided, is I switched the sides on them. And the gold pillows are from Burlington's. This pillow is also from Burlington. The black from Amazon. My throw is from Home Goods, and I have the same pillows on that side. My area rug here is from Amazon. And as you can see over here, I have the throw pillow to match. It was also from Amazon. The throw is from Burlington's. The plant is from At Home, and the larger plant is from Goodwill. The little vignettes are done here. I just made those from a Hobby Lobby items and from the Dollar Tree. My lamps are from Home Goods, and my statues are from Home Goods. My prints up here are from At Home. My drapes are from Home Goods. As you come here, my tray is from Home Goods. The little picture frame here is from the Dollar Tree. A lot of the accessories I have in it are from the Dollar Tree and also from Hobby Lobby. And as you can see on this side, I've done the same. I've made a little vignette using one of the Dollar Tree plates. I want to thank the design family for coming along with me today as I do my family room refresh makeover. And if you're not a part of the design team, I ask that you hit that like and subscribe button and become a part of our family. This is Emma, and I want to thank you for joining me today. You all have a blessed Sunday, and I will be seeing you in my next video.